I asked that question of Professor Karel Boshoff, who was the founder of Oranje. I said to him, will you allow me to stay in Oranje? And he frowned and said, but of course, although we disagree with you, you are a white person. I then said to him, but will...
The last time we met, when the Communist Party was launching its campaign, Mawubuye Umhlaba, the land program, we were the first political organization, literally, to take up this question for the return of the land to its rightful owners, the people of our country, and its custodians, the traditional leaders. This process has been quite frustrating over the years.
I said to him, but will you allow my black wife and my black children to stay in Oranje? And he said to me, absolutely not. Black people are not allowed to stay in Oranje. And there you have the essence of the situation. This is not about cultural self-determination. It is about racism. It is about racist superiority. And as long as that is what Oranje stands for, what Kleinfontein stands for, then we have to insist that these white supremacist, racist enclaves have to be closed down. And
that's